Hey, what's up guys? How are you? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check data usage on your iPhone. This is a really important process, especially if you have a limited data plan. By checking your data usage on your iPhone, you can make sure that you are not going over your limit and getting charged extra. This is a very easy process to check your data usage on your iPhone. Now follow all the steps with me. The first step is open the setting apps on your iPhone. Tap on the cellular. Now tap on the SIM and scroll little bit and click on the usage. Now here you will see a breakdown of how much data you used for the current billing period. Here you can check whatever data you have and you can also access your remaining messages quota as well. You can also see how much data each app has used. Just go to back, again back, and here you can see cellular data for business plan. So here I have two SIM, one is personal, second is business. Here you can see lots of data I have used in my personal hotspot. 246 gigabytes of data I use in my personal hotspot. So you can check many of the data here and you can decide which app consume more your internet data. If you need to reset this all data uses of this plan, just scroll down and click on the reset statistic to remove all the data and reset your data usage cycle. That's it guys. If you found this video is helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech tutorials, and I hope you know how to check data usage on your iPhone. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.